I think when a customer comes into our store, the first thing they find is that we're not your typical pawn shop.
They just think we're a retail store, maybe a consignment shop. And then once we tell them we are a pawn shop, it's almost like it changes their personality about what that label is right away, based on the look of our store, how clean it is, how nice it is, and how friendly our staff is.
I think there's a little bit of a stigma associated with pawn shops, but Best Collateral doesn't look like a pawn shop. It looks like a jewelry shop, and you can feel really comfortable coming in and shopping here.
The first thing on our minds is to provide service. Service means taking care of their every needs. They want to look at jewelry. We offer the best jewelry in town. Pave settings, wedding sets, whatever you name it, we try to have it in the store for a customer.
We do have new customers every day. There are some people who come in who have never been here before. They're a little uncomfortable because they don't really know what to expect, and we just try and make them feel as comfortable as possible, give them all the explanations, explain the loan contracts in detail so that they really know what to expect, and they feel comfortable when they leave that their jewelry, their items are safe, and that they've gotten a good deal as well.
Well, my experience has been good. This is actually the first time I've ever gone to a pawn shop. I've never been in one before. So, I went looking from everywhere, from electronics, jewelry, tools, music instruments, TVs, everything, and it's just ridiculous. The prices are really, really economical.
I've been shopping with Best Collateral for probably 10 years. I come in at least once a week to see what good deals they've got and what new jewelry's come in. And they get in good quality merchandise too, which is what I'm always looking for.
We have a lot of new guitars here, such as Washburns, Ovations, and Jasmine's guitars, which are very popular among the music industry.
We also have just an amazing assortment of goods, always priced right, always negotiable, and always ready to to help our customers get what they need when they're coming in our store.
Plus, we offer a great rewards program. A customer comes in, either does a pawn transaction or they do a sales transaction, they get points for doing business with us. If they buy $100 worth of merchandise, they get 100 points, and that's unheard of in any other industry, especially pawn industry out there. They can use those points to redeem items on our website, bestcollateral.com. It's our rewards website, and this is all new merchandise, not merchandise from the store. If they earn 50 points or they earn 100 points, then they can use those points to redeem new merchandise, and it gets shipped to their home. All new stuff. It's a great program.
When we bring it in on loan, we check it, and then when we place it on the floor, we like to double check it as well. So when the customer buys an item from one of our sales associates, we're guaranteeing that our product works.
I've heard people having bad experiences at other pawn shops and not getting what they paid for. This company, Best Collateral, stands behind its products. If they say it's 18 karat gold, it is. If they say it's 22 karat gold, it is. So they have integrity, and I trust them.
With layaway, you have up to 12 months to pay off anything that you buy in the store. Interest-free, you can pay it off early, or you can take the whole 12 months to pay it off.
I've gone into the mall jewelers years ago, and their prices are incredibly high, but you come here and you can get the same thing just because it's pre-worn or pre-owned. It's still, diamonds are diamonds and rubies are rubies and gold is gold. So, but you get it for a fraction of what you pay in retail for it. Their prices are just good. I mean, you can't beat it. I would never go back to retail shopping, ever. And that's the truth.
The loan process is very easy. We get you in and out as quickly as possible. It's a 4-month contract. You bring in your jewelry, you bring in anything that you like as hard goods, tools, electronic items, DVDs. Bring it in, we'll evaluate it for you and see what we can do for you.
Credit has nothing to do with how we lend. So whether you have good credit, bad credit, have bankruptcy, what have you, getting a loan on our side it doesn't matter. We welcome everyone in our doors to help them out.
And here we have a lot of loan processors that are certified, and they know what they're doing when they're looking at jewelry. What we do, we test the jewelry, each piece, and make sure that it's indeed gold or it's indeed diamond or whatever the case may be. And then we write the loan for the customer, and we give a 4 months and 15-day grace period for the customer.
And you can always renew your loan. So even if you don't have the money to pick up an item right away after the 4 months, you can always just pay the interest and renew it for another 4 months. And you can do that as many times as you need to until you're in shape to pick up the item.
As always, our goal is to make sure our customers come back, come back for their items. We give them every opportunity to come in and renew their items. Like I said, they can come in and pay the renewal fees if they're not able to redeem their items. Our goal is to make sure that the customer that originally comes in with the piece to get that piece back.
It's just like getting a loan for a house. When the bank gives you a loan for a house, they want you to keep the house. They don't want it to foreclose. That's the same as us. That we want you to come back and get your jewelry eventually. That's what we want. We want to be able to do a consistent business with you.
And more than 90% of our customers actually pay their goods off and actually pick them up. I said, I think that number is probably in the range of 90 to 95% of our customers, which is, we have a very low default rate versus traditional banking. And I think a lot of that has to do with the relationships that we build with our customers.
The best thing about working at Best Collateral is definitely the customers. They're fantastic people that we deal with every day. We have a lot of the same people coming in. We really get to know the people that come in that we get to work with, and I love that. Same with the staff. We have a really fantastic staff. Everybody's really close, and it's a great little family we have, staff and customers both.
The best thing about working here at Best Collateral for me is the team spirit, family atmosphere. You're accepted no matter who you are, as an employee or really as a customer. Customers that walk through the door, they're treated just like they're part of the family.